Welcome back to our finance focused YouTube channel. Today, we're diving deep into the realm of building wealth and making smart money moves for financial success. Whether you're just starting your journey to financial independence or looking to optimize your existing strategies, these valuable tips will set you on the path to a brighter financial future. So let's get started. 1. Budgeting and tracking expenses. Building wealth begins with a solid foundation, a budget. Create a detailed budget that outlines your income, expenses, and savings goals. Be sure to track your spending diligently, as it's easy to overlook small expenses that can add up over time. Use budgeting apps or spreadsheets to monitor your finances and identify areas where you can cut back or redirect funds towards savings and investments. 2. Emergency fund. Life is full of surprises, and that's why having an emergency fund is essential. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a separate savings account. This fund will provide a financial safety net during unforeseen circumstances, such as medical emergencies, car repairs, or unexpected job loss. 3. Debt repayment strategy. High-interest debt can be a significant roadblock on your journey to financial success. Develop a debt repayment strategy, focusing on paying off high-interest debts first while making minimum payments on other debts. Consider using the debt snowball or debt avalanche method to tackle your debts systematically and watch your progress as each debt is crossed off the list. 4. Investing for the future. Investing is a powerful tool for building wealth over the long term. Start by contributing to retirement accounts like 401, Ks, or IRAs, taking advantage of any employer match offered. Beyond retirement accounts, explore low-cost index funds, ETFs, and individual stocks to diversify your investment portfolio. Remember, consistency and patience are key when it comes to investing. 5. Multiple streams of income. Building wealth isn't just about saving and investing, it's also about increasing your income. Explore opportunities to diversify your income streams, such as freelancing, starting a side business, or generating passive income through investments we discussed earlier. Multiple streams of income can accelerate your journey to financial success and offer a safety net in times of economic uncertainty. 6. Continuous learning and skill development. The journey to building wealth is a lifelong process, and continuous learning is vital. Invest in yourself by acquiring new skills and knowledge. Attend workshops, take online courses, or earn certifications that can enhance your career prospects and potentially lead to higher earning opportunities. 7. Negotiating salaries and fees. Host. When it comes to building wealth, don't be afraid to negotiate. Whether you're negotiating a salary, freelance fees, or the interest rate on a loan, advocating for yourself can make a substantial difference in your financial situation. Research market rates and be confident in expressing the value you bring to the table. 8. Protecting your asset. As you accumulate wealth, it becomes crucial to protect your assets. Review your insurance coverage, including health, home, auto, and life insurance, to ensure you and your family are adequately protected in case of unexpected events. Additionally, consider estate planning and creating a will to safeguard your assets and provide clear instructions for your loved ones. 9. Giving back and philanthropy. Building wealth isn't just about personal gain. It's also an opportunity to give back to your community or support causes you're passionate about. Consider incorporating philanthropy into your financial plan, whether through regular charitable donations or establishing a donor-advised fund. Giving back not only benefits others, but can also bring sense of fulfillment and purpose to your financial journey. 10. Review and adjust your financial plan. Building wealth is an ongoing process. and it's essential to regularly review and adjust your financial plan as circumstances change. Set aside time every few months to assess your progress, update your budget, and realign your goals. Remember, adaptability and flexibility are crucial as you navigate your financial journey. There you have it, an array of smart money moves to build wealth and achieve financial success. Building wealth isn't an overnight feat. It requires discipline, dedication, and a commitment to your long-term goals. If you found this video valuable, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future finance-related content. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, take care and keep making those smart money moves.